you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have variety fun for August. Do you want to know what snacks I'll be snacking on this month? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Variety Fun did send me this for review. So thank you so much, Variety Fun, for sending me your box. I absolutely love this snack box. I know a few of you guys wanted to see the healthy option. I don't know anybody who gets the healthy option delivered to them. I'm hoping maybe one day they'll send me one, or I know somebody that is, and I could tell you guys to go watch that video. But for now, I have the snacks that we all know and love, the not healthy choice option. But let's go ahead and see what we have this month and see what we're gonna be snacking on. Like I said in the last video, right now, or the last few months, right now, this box really does help me out. And if you order it, I'm sure it helps you out too, because right now it's not as easy to just go to the store and get stuff because we have to stay safe and be careful. And this being delivered to my door keeps me at home safe. So I really love the fact that I can get snacks delivered to my door and keep my family with some snacking on, and I don't have to go to the store and risk anything. So let's go ahead and get inside. So this month they're going to have Snack Smarter with Rice Works, delicious gourmet rice snacks. So that will be the featured product this month. And that would be right here on the top. Wild Rice Works Gourmet Rice Snacks. I have never seen this before. Sea salt and black sesame. Have you guys heard of that before? Let me see what that tastes like, because I've never heard of that before. They have a sweet chili flavor, a salsa fresca. Ooh, those sound really good. But wait, Rice Works Gourmet Rice Snack. I don't know. That's what it looks like. Black sea salt and black sesame. So the black sesame is in there. It's very salty, but it's really good. It's really good. There you go. But the sweet chili and that one, I bet you those would be really good. So let's go with the rest that are in here. Here we go. We have Doritos, nacho cheese, the machis. We have the Flamin' Chester Cheetos, Flamin' Hot Fries. We have Ruffles, cheddar and sour cream. These are like my favorite Ruffles. We have the Andy Capes Hot Fries. We have Fritos Originals. We have Cheetos Crunchy. We have Lay's Barbecue. Here's another cheddar fries from Andy Capes. I think that's how you say it. We have Keebler bite-sized cookies with M&Ms. We have Cheez-It Scrabble Junior. There's one here. And there is another one here. We have the Nutter Butter. I love these cookies. Nutter Butter Peanut Butter Bite Cookies. There's one, two. Here is Alphabet Mini Cookies. So there's some mini cookies there. Here's some mini Chips Ahoy. One, two. Oh, here's another alphabet cookie as well. So there's two of those. Here's the rainbow chip. Here's the original fudge stripes. Okay, so now we have this vanilla wafers. One, two. We have a Nature Valley Trail Mix fruit and nut bar. These are really good. We have the Rice Krispie treats. We got one of these last time, and now we have a different one. This is Keto Nut Granola. That looks really good too. So there's that. Ooh. Now we have the Grandma's Chocolate Brownie Cookie. There's 1, 2 of that flavor. And then there's 1 just regular chocolate chip. Then we have 2 of the cheese and peanut butter crackers. We have a Laffy Taffy. You Laffy Taffy. You Laffy Taffy. This is jokes on every wrapper. Oh, so there's jokes on here. You got jokes. And this is grape flavor. Laffy Taffy. We have Nature Valley Crunch Oat and Honey. Then we have some chewy granola bar. We have 2 of the chocolate chip. And then I have 1 of the peanut butter. Now I have Juicy Burst Black Forest Mixed Fruits, some fruit snacks. 1, actually there's 2. Oh, this one's different. This one's Tropical Fusion, and this one is mixed fruit. So there's 2 different flavors. And then we have 3 Airheads. We have a watermelon, we have the white mystery, and we have the cherry. So that is everything in this box, you guys. So that is what came in this month. Let me know down below, did you think this was a good mixture? I always love their snacks anyways because they always give you such a good mixture of everything in here. So if you want to know a little bit about Variety Fun and the pricing, I will go ahead and let you know right about now. So Variety Fun, you can use my code SheCrafty30. Now you get 30% off if you would like to get this subscription. Variety Fun subscription service delivers an assortment of delicious snacks to your home or office. They also have bigger like corporate type boxes if you do have an office and you want to have like a big box put in the break room or something. So that is on their website. If you have a corporation and you want to do that, you can check that out as well. So you get a variety of tasty cookies, chips, candy, crackers, pretzels, popcorn, and nuts from all of your favorite brands with classic and healthy options. There's something for everyone. The snack subscription service is available for bi-weekly or monthly delivery with free shipping and no commitment. With over 500 varieties of snacks, including both classic and healthy options. The fun box is what I receive here. You get 40 classic snacks, which brings that down to 62 cents per snack. And this box is $24.99. Again, it's free shipping to the US. And you get to enjoy a rotating variety of classic treats, including Lay's, Cheez-Its, M&M cookies, Sour Patch, and more. Or the Fit box has 30 classic snacks. That one's $39.99, and you'll enjoy a rotating variety of premium healthy snacks options like kettle corn, think jerky, skinny pop, Laura bars, RX bars, and more. That one brings it to about $1.33 per snack. Snack boxes are great for packing lunches, game nights, road trips, parties, or to keep in your pantry for everyday snacking. They also donate thousands of snacks every month to families in need. And I really love when companies do donate because then we're all helping each other out. And I really do love that. So again, that was everything that came in this box. That's everything that I have to say about the company. So comment down below, let me know what you thought of this month's box and the items that came inside. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So thank you again, Variety Fun, for sending me your amazing snack box. And thank you guys for watching this video. Until next time, you know the drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.